In this video, I'll show you how to create an eBay listing from a single product using only photos. First, make sure your eBay account is connected. Then go to your profile settings and select the seller profile that best matches your item. For this example, I'll use my women's clothing profile. Click Upload Images, select your product photos, and click Upload. Once they're uploaded, you can zoom in to inspect each image if needed. Next, choose the item's condition, such as new, new with tags, or pre-owned, then click Analyze Images. The AI will analyze your photos. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once the analysis is complete, your listing is automatically generated. Let's start with sizes and colors. Choose the available sizes for your product. In this example, I'll select 4 different sizes. Then choose the color and generate the variations. You can select all variations at once or add additional colors later if you need to. Enter the price and available quantity for each variation. You can edit them individually or use Apply to All to update every variation at the same time. Now let's move to photos. Choose which photos you want to publish. You can reorder them, remove any images you don't want, and decide exactly which ones will appear in your eBay listing. Next are the titles. Zetlis automatically generates 3 optimized title options, each using a different keyword strategy. The dark blue keyword tags below each title show exactly which keywords were used. As you switch between titles, you'll see the keyword selection change as well. Once you've chosen your favorite title, you can edit it however you'd like. The character counter shows how many characters you've used. Remember, eBay allows a maximum of 80 characters. If you go over the limit, Zetlis will display a warning in red so you can easily adjust it. Now let's look at the description. The first part is generated by AI based on your product photos. The second part comes from the template you created in your seller profile. Each profile can have its own description template. The category has already been selected for you and will be sent directly to eBay. You don't need to enter the price here because it was already set in the sizes and colors section. Next, enter your SKU. Every product must have a unique SKU. Otherwise, eBay won't accept the listing. Don't forget to enter the package weight. This field is required by eBay, and if it's missing, you'll receive an error when trying to publish. Now let's look at the item specifics. Zetlis automatically fills in all the required eBay item specifics for you, but you're free to edit them at any time. You can add, remove, or modify any specification before publishing. When everything looks good, simply click Send. Your listing is now live on eBay. Your listing is ready, complete with photos, variations, sizes, colors, optimized titles, descriptions, and item specifics. Zetlis, because listing products shouldn't take longer than selling them.